Good evening. This is All Sports with LD coming back at you with another YouTube post from my YouTube channel. Before I get into tonight's content, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Okay, so let's get started. I actually find this pretty hilarious. And I don't take Thurman serious. Because Thurman's been calling out everybody since his last fight over 2 years ago where he lost to a 40-year-old man. I don't even know if there's anything on record where his team has even come close to negotiations after losing to Pacquiao. I don't know. It just seems like he just calls out people to keep his name relevant. I don't know. I don't know what Thurman's hope is, but realistically, does he really deserve a shot at Crawford? I really don't think so, and here's why. He hasn't fought in over 2 years. The last fight he lost against Pacquiao. So, because he hasn't fought anyone in over 2 years and his last fight was a loss, I think he needs a tune-up first. You get back in the ring, get the ring rust off, because frankly, he doesn't want the work from Crawford. This would be easy work for Crawford. Thurman's not even in Crawford's league. It's absurd to even be talking about this. That Thurman wants to fight Crawford this summer. It's absurd. Really. I don't know if anyone's really taking him serious. But let's say Crawford does decide to give Thurman a shot if he can't get the Spence fight. Personally, I would rather see Crawford fight Ugas instead of Thurman. But let's just say Crawford does give Thurman a shot. I would make the case this fight would be over in round one. Remember when he fought Pacquiao and he was dropped in round one against Pacquiao because he was backing away in a straight line with his hands down and got caught with a shot from Pacquiao. Unlike Pacquiao, Crawford would have finished that in round one. Thurman has tremendous holes in his game. This wouldn't even be fair at this juncture for Crawford to fight Thurman. It'd be kind of me like a kid, like a bully picking on a 3-year-old kid. What has Thurman done since losing that fight? Like I said, he hasn't fought in over 2 years. What is it that he's done to make it worthwhile to even discuss that he would be ready for Crawford in what? This is November. Let's say they fight in June. 6 months? Really? Given the fact you haven't fought in over 2 years, will he really be ready for Crawford? I don't think so. I think he needs a tune-up first to see how he would fare against maybe a B-level competition. Get himself back in the ring. But in no way do I think Thurman is ready for Crawford. Crawford's next level welterweight. Excuse me. Honestly, I don't know what Thurman is doing. Maybe it is, like I said, to keep his name out there, but in no way is he ready for Crawford. We all saw it, how he got picked apart by a 40-year-old boxer. Then the next fight, that 40-year-old boxer got outboxed by Ugas. So, this wouldn't even be a fight to even look forward to. Maybe Crawford fights him after he gets a Spence fight, maybe just to clean out the welterweight division. Just a pick'em fight. Yeah, maybe you can say that, but no, Thurman's not ready for Crawford. This is this is funny actually that he would even say this. Like I said, I don't think he's serious. I think this is another way for Thurman to keep his name out there, and he's done it several times over the last 2 years, saying he wanted to fight this fighter, that fighter, and nothing's come to fruition. Like I said, I don't even know if his team has ever even come close to negotiating a fight after the Pacquiao fight. So, I'm just going to chalk this up as, Thurman being Thurman, running his mouth, keeping himself in the media, not really a serious contender to fight Crawford. Maybe, like I said, I need to do a tune-up first. Yeah, so, like I said, I think Thurman needs a tune-up fight first. I mean, he can pick any number of top 10 welterweights, maybe even a top 15 guy. See how he does coming back after a 2-year layoff. But no, I don't take this serious. I can't. I mean, honestly. And I don't think the boxing world will take this serious either. Because, Thurman just has a habit of saying these outlandish things, but he hasn't done anything since the Pacquiao fight. And I just can't, I can't really look at this as I see a viable option for Crawford to take this fight. It's not even worth it. Like I said, I would really like to see him, if he can't get the Spence fight, which I doubt Crawford. I doubt Spence even wants to be part of Crawford. So I would like to see Crawford against Ugas. I think that would be a nice competitive fight, give him an opportunity to collect another belt. Maybe, just maybe, it'll force Spence to take the fight after all, but I doubt it. But again, back to Thurman. Like I said, I don't take this serious. We'll see in the coming months. I think, like I said, this will prove itself out that Thurman is just talking. All right, that's all I have. Have a good one.